Which is the financial capital of India? New Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore. Correct answer is Mumbai. Which Indian state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Kerala, Gujarat, Punjab, Assam. Correct answer is Kerala. Which is the longest dam in India? Bhakra Dam, Tehri Dam, Hirakud Dam, Sardar Sarovar Dam. Correct answer is Hirakud Dam. Which is the national game of India? Officially none, but widely accepted. Cricket, hockey, kabaddi, football. Correct answer is hockey. Which Indian city is famous for Charminar? Hyderabad, Jaipur, Lucknow, Bhopal. Correct answer is Hyderabad. Which state is famous for the Gir National Park? Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra. Correct answer is Gujarat. Which Indian state is known for Sundarban? Odisha, West Bengal, Assam, Bihar. Correct answer is West Bengal. Which is the official language of the Union Government of India? Hindi, English, Hindi and English, Sanskrit. Correct answer is Hindi and English. Which Indian state is known as Devbhoomi? Uttarakhand, Kerala, Punjab, Bihar. Correct answer is Uttarakhand. Which is India's national song? Jana Gana Mana, Vande Matram, सारे जहां से अच्छा, ए मेरे वतन के लोगों. Correct answer is Vande Matram. Which is the tallest statue in India? Statue of Unity, Statue of Liberty, Spring Temple Buddha, Ashoka Pillar. Correct answer is Statue of Unity. Which Indian state produces the most coffee? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is Karnataka. Which is the national reptile of India? Snake, cobra, crocodile, monitor lizard. Correct answer is cobra. Which is the national heritage animal of India? Elephant, tiger, Lion. Leopard. Correct answer is elephant. Which Indian city is called the City of Lakes? Udaipur, Bhopal, Jaipur, Pushkar. Correct answer is Udaipur. Which Indian state is known for Bihu festival? Punjab, Assam, Gujarat, Odisha. Correct answer is Assam. Which Indian state has the Konark Sun Temple? Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Karnataka, Kerala. Correct answer is Odisha. Which is the southernmost tip of mainland India? Kanyakumari, Rameswaram, Goa, Kochi. Correct answer is Kanyakumari. Which Indian state is known for the Ajanta caves? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. Correct answer is Maharashtra. Which Indian state is famous for Kathakali dance? Kerala, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar. Correct answer is Kerala. Which is the largest river island in India? Majuli, Diu, Lakshadweep, Andaman. Correct answer is Majuli. Which Indian state shares the longest border with Bangladesh? Assam, Tripura, West Bengal, Meghalaya. Correct answer is West Bengal. Which is the national motto of India? Satyamev Jayate, Jai Hind, Vande Matram, Inquilab Jindabad. Correct answer is Satyamev Jayate. Which Indian state is known as the land of rising sun? Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. Correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest, Nanda Devi, K2. Correct answer is Kanchenjunga. Which Indian state is famous for Rann of Kutch? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana. Correct answer is Gujarat. Which Indian city is known as the Gateway of India city? Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. Correct answer is Mumbai. Which Indian state is known for houseboats? Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Odisha. Correct answer is Kerala. Which is the national fruit of India? Orange, apple, mango, banana. Correct answer is mango. Which Indian state is known for the Hornbill Festival? Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. Correct answer is Nagaland.